Now that we all know what we are going to get in the S23 Ultra, the unboxing video, hands-on videos and even the camera samples are also out, it's time to talk about the official pre-order deals of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let me get things clear. Galaxy S23 series will going to see a price jump, but pre-order deals are here to save you. As per new official pre-order deals, Samsung is offering higher storage model for the price of smaller storage model. Meaning, if you want to get Galaxy S23 128GB version, you're going to get 256GB version at the same price. If you are up for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys will going to get 512GB version along with the 12GB of RAM on the same price as 256GB and 8GB of RAM. But this new offer will only last till 16th of Feb. After that, you guys will no longer avail this offer. Also, there is another offer where you can get 10% discount, but for that you have to log in or sign up to Samsung Business Shop, and that offer will last till 31st of March 2023. Both offers are great, but in some regions, along with the S23 Ultra, we are going to get Buds Pro 2 and Galaxy Watch 5, which is also a great deal. Let me know in the comments, are you guys going to pre-order Galaxy S23 Ultra and which color options you guys are going to get? The king of leaker Evan Bloss even shares the pre-order images of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you are thinking about the price of S23 Ultra, then we are going to see some price increase in European market, as Roland shared the prices for Spanish and German markets, where we are going to see S23 for €959 and base model Galaxy S23 Ultra in the price of €1,409. These prices are for the base model, whereas in Germany, we are going to see €949 for the S23 and €1,399 for the S23 Ultra. It is somewhere around €100 increase in the price of S23 base model and about €50 in the price of the S23 Ultra. Although, as per US market, we might see the same pricing $1,199 for the base model Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you guys don't know, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to launch on 1st of Feb, and as per rumors, the pre-orders will start the same day till 16th of Feb. If you guys want to see the detailed unboxing video of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.